2021 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.